Good morning. We are solving some simple problems from chapter 2, that is electronic circuits. Here there is a problem from or based upon full wave rectifier. The circuit is given and the problem is like this. For the center tapped full wave rectifier shown in the figure, if the primary is connected to a 230 volt 50 Hz supply, find DC output voltage and current, that is VDC and IDC, the peak inverse voltage and rectification efficiency. The circuit is the full wave rectifier circuit, center tapped full wave rectifier circuit is given like this. The input is 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply and the output that developed across the load, which is 200 ohm, is DC in nature. So we have to find out whatever the values asked in the question. Now I will go for solution. It is given that turns ratio N2 by N1 equal to 10 by 1 and primary voltage is given to us, primary voltage equal to 230 volt. So as the turns ratio are given, we can calculate the secondary voltage. Therefore secondary voltage is equal to 230 divided by 10 equal to 23 volt, and this is RMS value. This is not the maximum value, this is the RMS value. If we calculate the maximum secondary voltage, so maximum secondary voltage will be equal to 23 into root 2. This is coming around 32.43 volt. This total value, maximum voltage, is applied across the entire secondary, and half of it is applied across the half of the secondary and other half is applied across the other half of the secondary, because the load is connected between one end and the half of the turns of the secondary, and for next half cycle of the input it is other end of the secondary and half point, that is the center tap point. So across half secondary voltage is equal to 32.43 divided by 2. This is around 16.21. Now we will calculate what will be the value of IDC. So therefore DC value IDC is 2 Vm by pi into RL. Here we have taken the diodes, both D1 and D2, to be ideal diodes. Therefore RF equal to 0. This assumption we have made. So putting the values of Vm and RL, this is 2 into 16.21 divided by pi into RL is 200. So this is 0.05 ampere. This is the answer. IDC we have calculated. Next we'll go for VDC, DC output voltage. We know VDC will be IDC into RL. This is 0.05 into 200. This is coming around to be, and this is equal to 0.052. So 0.052 into 200 equal to 50.4 volt. This is the answer. Next we will calculate PIV. We know PIV equal to 2 Vm in case of a full wave rectifier. So this is 2 into 16.21 equal to 32.43 volt. Finally, we will calculate the rectification efficiency. Rectification efficiency is output DC power divided by input AC power. So PDC divided by PAC. And this is can also be given as 0.813 into RL divided by RF plus RL, assuming RF to be 0. So this is equal to 0.813, or efficiency equal to 81.3%. This is the answer.